All right, guys, Tommy Truck Parking here, and we have made it to Utah. We're in Snowville, Utah, off I-84, exit 7, right across from the Flying J. We got a nice new lot here that just come available. It's a member location. It's got 50 spaces available, easy in, easy out, huge lot. She's got some lights, she's got cameras. I mean, she's ready for you guys. Check this place out, truckparkingclub.com. We're rolling on to Wyoming, looking for more truck parking, and I mean, we're looking everywhere, but we're headed to Wyoming on a mission, and then South Dakota. I mean, you name it, we're there. We're working for you. So yeah, check it out, truckparkingclub.com or TommyTruckParking.com. But you know the saying, hey y'all and yee haw.